Hold on. Okay, this is a Trane unit. She's going to try to reset it right here. Okay, that's honey. She reset it. And down here you got the drain line, which is draining real good. So we know it ain't the drain line. And if you look right here, that right there, that line right there, that one, which will freeze up. Then when this right here, it kicks on and off, but every 5 minutes it'll kick on and off. Then if you look, let me see if I can, as soon as this thing right here stops, this is a, that's just a temperature thing for let me show you. You'll see right down there, it's got the red light on it, that gets a compressor. If you'll watch it, hold on a minute, let me find my, god damn it. Hold on a minute. Alright, that right there, where the red light's at, that's my condenser. If you'll notice, it's 93, and it will rise. It'll go up to about 140 degrees, and it's getting real hot. And the fan will kick on off about every 5 minutes. Now she's going to put that back in there. Well, I wish she'd look so she don't shock her fucking self. Just take the thing off, honey, before you shock yourself. Alright, here, she'll get in there in a minute. See her? Alright, now she got her back in there. It'll kick on and kick off about 5 minutes. And that right there is the drain, which you can see it's draining real good. And she is the one that fools with the electricity, because I shot myself.
Drop it.
Big fat ass. See it? Oh yeah. Shake it for daddy.